Okay, it is mid-August. I think it's the 13th, I believe, and this is what the garden looks like. Let's get a closer look. Here's all my corn, and it is doing beautifully. I need to come out and water it some more. Yes, my corn is beautiful. Here's my, oh my gosh. I know people, oh my gosh. Bees everywhere. This is my oregano, and look how big it is. It's huge. They're not on the lamb's ear anymore, but I'm not cutting it back yet because they're everywhere on the oregano. And then I think the thyme, which is right there, is going to flower next. It's just starting to flower. You can see on the far side there. The sage has already flowered, and look at how much it's already grown back since I cut it. And I really whacked it back. Oh my goodness. Some of the weeds I've let go. I think this is a dandelion. I need to come out here with my little ID thing and find out whether it is or not, whether I should pull it out or not. But if it is, I might try and make like something from dandelions. I would love to try making something from dandelions, and I have a few of these great big plants out here that I've let grow. Anyway, bees everywhere. Oh, look at this over here. So I let the Thai basil flower as well. And so it's covered, and there's some basil over there that's covered. And then of course there's the marigolds. And the grapes, oh my gosh, the grapes are delicious. Delicious, delicious, delicious. These ones apparently won't be ready until September. So these are called a skookum. The green ones are a skookum grape. And these ones are, oh gosh, what was it? A sovereign coronation. I'll check the little thingy again, but oh my gosh, I have been eating these grapes, and everybody got to try them today. Oh my gosh, they're just so good. We got some walking onions that Dave put over here, and they seem to be doing what they're supposed to do. I guess I need to find out how to use walking onions. But apparently they're a perennial onion that I can plant once and leave it alone. Cucumber's not so happy. I don't see anything on it. Maybe because it doesn't have anywhere else to grow. It's just kind of stunted there. So I may have gotten all of the cucumber I'm going to get. I've got one big onion. I've harvested most of the others already. Once they fall over, they're ready to be harvested. I may leave a few of them to overwinter. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, melons. Look at, I've got melons again. Look at that. I got 3 beautiful melons. 1, 2, and 3 over there. So I'm super excited about that. I suppose I should come out here and support them with something. This one's sitting on there. Yeah, I gotta climb through the forest of asparagus that's here. I don't know. I might take those trellises out and put them somewhere else in the garden for something else to climb on. And just fill this bed with asparagus and basil and oregano, apparently. And there's the tall plant. Peppers. Oh, carrots are, coming along. There's another basil back there. Strawberries. There's several in here that are just about ripe. I'll probably come out and pick them today. A few of them. Oh, they look so beautiful. Peppers everywhere. Oh my gosh, look at the size. don't know if I can even get you in here. Look at the size of these peppers. I don't know if you can see that. Here, we'll try this one. Look at the size of that pepper. My goodness. And then a ton of jalapenos, and I'm not sure what exactly I'm going to do with all the jalapenos. But they're looking just beautiful. Pepperoncinis I've never been able to grow before, and these are just covered in them. This needs some water and some plucking. But, you know, everywhere are bees, and so you have to be kind of careful when you're deadheading because you can grab onto one. And that's never so good. Look at my huge, huge loofah there. Apparently I should just leave it until it turns brown. Hopefully it turns brown before it turns moldy. Tomatoes over here doing okay. I got a few ripe ones on those black tomatoes. And I got 1, 2 more loofah over here. Here, I'll let you in. I'll let you in. And you can see there's one there. Oh, there's both of them in that shot here. Let me move that out of the way. There's 2 of them. So far I've got 3 loofah. I don't think I have any. I didn't have any on the other side when I checked the other day. Look at there is a bee. And another one. So yes, I love having a place for the bees to come. Ooh, I need to water this. I've got some potatoes planted here. Anyway, that's about it. That's it for my garden for now. My potatoes. I've got a couple of them planted over there. They're doing good. Everybody is going to be a little thirsty after today, so I'll be coming out and soaking some water down here pretty quick. Run some soaker hoses, give them a good dust down from the heat once they're out of the sun. Thanks for joining me on a tour of the garden. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. I will see you soon. Bye now.